Meaning of decorative arts.
Decorative arts.
Decorative arts.
Decorative arts.
Decorative arts. The decorative arts refer to objects that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Examples of decorative arts include furniture, ceramics, textiles, metalwork, glassware, and jewelry. These objects are designed to enhance the beauty of everyday life, as well as to provide practical use. The decorative arts have a long history, with many cultures developing unique styles and techniques over time. Today, the decorative arts continue to flourish as artists and designers create new and innovative pieces that balance form and function in exciting and engaging ways.